Okay, so one of the things that I wanted to do is to change the brake system a little bit. I'm gonna put better race pads onto the bike, and I'll also change the brake discs, both Brembo, and I'll even have some Brembo brake fluid. So what we'll start with is just basically taking off the brake calipers. As you can see, they're quite filthy, so I'll also clean this all up. First thing you need to take off is this retaining pin. There's a clip on the inside of the wheel. Just take that off. Then you unscrew this to take out the pads, but keep holding this spring. While I have these off, I can clean them up, and all you need basically is just a toothbrush and some soapy water. So if you look at these pistons, if I pump the brake, you can see that they're not coming at the same time, which is not good. So I'm gonna clean them up from the inside and make them as close as they can be in getting out together. Again, soap, water, and a toothbrush. So now you can see that they are moving with the same speed, exactly what we want. Now we just push them back inside, and we can fit our new brake pads on. We'll also clean up retaining spring plus this pin. Here are the new discs. They should fit just like the old ones, but the difference is, as you can see, it's much thicker. Before we put the disc on, we need to make sure that the oil that is on the disc is off. You need to use some brake cleaner to clean it off, because every disc, every brand new disc has some oils on it that save it from corrosion during transportation. To make sure all the oils are taken off. Now all we do is just flip the wheel and do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so now it's done. Both discs are on. So I'm snugging these first, the caliper bolts, then make sure nothing binds. The axle is torqued to 65 Newton meters. Now that we're done with the brake system, we need to go out and do several test runs.